Creating your first post with Plann is easy. Let me show you how. From home, head to the left-hand corner and select Create Post. Now let's select our main platform. If you want to cross-post on multiple platforms, you can select those here. But we'll talk more about that in our next video, so for now, let's stick just to Instagram. Select the plus button to add media. There's a variety of ways to add content into Plann, but for now, I'll go to Media Collections. Once I've selected my media, I'll click Add. Now that we have our content, it's time to perfect our post. I'm feeling a little lost when it comes to caption ideas, so instead of coming up with my own, I'm going to select the light bulb icon, which is social starters. Here you'll find pre-written captions that our team has curated for you. Let's go ahead and select a purpose on the left-hand side. I'm personally wanting a caption that's inspirational. Now, you can tweak this caption so it feels super on brand, but this looks great to me. Now it's time to add the finishing touches to this post. First, I'll select the plus icon, which allows me to add a first comment. A little trick is that I love adding hashtags here, so they're a little bit more hidden and they don't take away from the content itself. Go ahead and select the hashtag icon, and from here you can either add a saved set or a suggested set. We've created hundreds of different hashtag sets based on their industry. Now select Save. If I auto-post this content, then our first comment will go ahead and auto-post alongside it. Let's select the next icon to tag our photographer in this post. Now let's add the location. Now this is content of a fin that we're selling in our surfboard store. So let's quickly schedule it to go to EasyLink. EasyLink is our link in bio tool, and adding a link now will allow potential customers to shop it as soon as it posts. To schedule an EasyLink, go ahead and select this link icon. Drag the pin exactly where you want it and add the link. On the left-hand side, you have your posting options. You can either post now or select your best times to post, which are times we believe are the most optimal based on when your audience is online, or you can select a custom time. From here, select the date and the time, and then go ahead and toggle on auto post, and let's also have it auto post to Facebook as well. And lastly, let's hit schedule post. Now, if we go back to home, we can see all of our scheduled posts in one place. And that's it. You've created your first Instagram post. Congratulations.